In the challenging and costly world of deep-water drilling, exploration and production companies are continually searching for ways to drill deeper, faster, safer, and more economically. Having established an aggressive leadership role in low-cost deep-water drilling, Unocal is now offering leasing opportunities for one of the most successful drill ships in the industry, the Discoverer Spirit. From its patented dual-activity drilling system to its 52,000 horsepowered engines, the Discoverer Spirit is a massive vessel equipped with the most advanced technology available. Measuring almost 850 feet in length and 400 feet from the keel to the top of its twin derricks, the ship is capable of drilling in water up to 10,000 feet in depth. Its double hull displaces more than 100,000 metric tons, and the ship's dynamic positioning system holds it accurately in place over the well site using 6 massive computer-controlled bow and stern thrusters. But its sheer size and power are not what makes this high-performance, technology-laden drill ship a dominant force in the world of deepwater drilling. Impressive statistics of another kind put the Discoverer Spirit in a league of its own. This vessel was designed to shave 40% off of the time required to drill development wells and 15% off of exploration wells. As operator, Unocal has generated time savings of 50% on average, making this one of the most successful and cost-effective drill ships at sea. Since drilling constitutes the most expensive portion of most exploration and development projects, it makes good business sense to take a hard look at ways to reduce these costs. In its first year of operation, the Discoverer Spirit drilled 6 wells with Unocal as operator. Both the discovery and appraisal wells at the Trident prospect established new world water depth records. Overall, the average depth of the 6 wells was 23,700 feet. The average time from start to finish was 50 days per well. This compares to an industry average of 105 days. While on lease to another operator, the ship set yet another world record, this time for an ultra-deep completion. Equally as important, during this same period, there were no lost workday accidents or any environmental incidents. The muscle behind this vessel rests with its revolutionary dual-activity drilling system, tremendous variable deck load, and the expertise of its world-class crew. The Discoverer Spirit's dual-activity capability means the drilling system operates cost-efficiently by allowing tasks to be performed simultaneously rather than sequentially, as with costlier conventional drilling. The ship's drilling systems are highly automated for precision work under demanding circumstances. Each of the rig's 2 pipe handling systems can run, pull, and stand back 135-foot long stands of pipe, compared with the standard 93-foot lengths.
The driller's control room on board the Discoverer Spirit bears very little resemblance to the driller's shack found on conventional floating drilling vessels. The high level of automation incorporated into the pipe handling system on the rig floor and in the derrick have virtually replaced the roughnecks and derrick men, which in turn greatly increases safety.
The dual-activity capabilities of the Discoverer Spirit are designed to reduce the critical path operations by 15 to 20% on exploration wells and up to 40% on subsea development projects.
Because we have 2 rigs, one forward and another aft, we're able to run 2 operations simultaneously. For instance, we're able to run the blowout preventer stack and riser on the forward rig, while at the same time drilling the riserless hole section and running and cementing the conductor casing using the aft rig. This takes these activities out of the critical path.
Modern technology doesn't stop on the drill floor. The Discoverer Spirit's drivetrain is one of the most advanced systems in the industry. 6 engines with a combined 52,000 horsepower drive the ship. That compares to 18,000 horsepower on a traditional semi-submersible rig. The Discoverer Spirit's bridge contains 2 radar communication systems, and the controls to power the ship up to 10 knots, enabling a move of 250 miles to occur in less than 24 hours. Once on location, 6 thrusters, each driven by 7,000 horsepower engines, enabled the ship to maintain position within a 10-foot radius over the wellbore. This station-keeping feature is effective in winds measuring 80 miles per hour and seas up to 40 feet. Because ultra-deepwater rigs often work at great distances from shore, the Discoverer Spirit has greater than normal storage capacity for the goods and materials required to drill a well.
The Discoverer Spirit pipe rack and riser bay areas, for example, have the capacity to store enough riser to work in 10,000 feet of water and enough casing to drill 2 28,000-foot wells.
The Discoverer Spirit is also equipped with one of the few remote-operated vehicles in the world that is capable of working in 10,000 feet of water. In addition to helping position the ship over the well site, the ROV makes seafloor observations of well spudding, riserless drilling, and stabbing of wellhead and BOP equipment. During subsea deepwater completions, the ROV provide invaluable service. Another unique feature of the drill ship is the availability of a geology and geophysical center on board. Known as the White House, the center was built to provide a workspace for critical geology and geophysical operations, and is considered an extension of the shore-based G&G activities. The Discoverer Spirit also has a completely self-sufficient mud plant that has the ability to simultaneously make and store multiple mud or completion fluid systems on board. The ship's mud system was designed with the capability to operate as 2 independent or isolated mud plants, minimizing the time involved when changing from one mud system to another. It has the capacity to operate in ultra-deep water to well depths exceeding 30,000 feet. The mud system includes active pits, reserve pits, storage of both base fluid and mud additives and brine, mud pumps, and solid control equipment. In addition, there is a sophisticated onboard mud lab for continuous sampling, monitoring, and analysis of fluid quality. The ship's mud system is 2 to 3 times larger than most mud facilities found on typical 5th-generation deepwater drilling vessels. The Discoverer Spirit's fully equipped quarters include complete kitchen and dining facilities, comfortable cabin space for 200, a hospital-rated medical treatment suite, along with exercise and recreation rooms, internet access, and satellite TV. The Discoverer Spirit is a new breed of drill ship. It's fast, efficient, and safe. It has drilled in record water depths and has cut drilling and completion costs significantly. The Discoverer Spirit has opened new frontiers in deepwater drilling and established benchmarks once believed beyond reach. The Discoverer Spirit, a proven solution for operators who demand high-performance drilling and completion results and accept nothing less than the best.